Today's Fix It is about my very useful car phone mount. This thing is so useful, I've become so used to it, but you can even pull the head apart. And as a device it did break. Man, listen to that click. Ooh, you wonder why I love this thing. Ouch, that's satisfying sound every time I click it, but it was broken. One of the gears at the left, the thing was broken. I could have just picked another one, hook it on the stair card there. This one is still able to hold my phone effectively. But man, where is the clicking sound, So I have to use a concrete nail, tiny concrete nail to fix it inside that rubber, use an iodide to hold it at the back. And at the first, the gears weren't touching very well, so I have to open up another space and then was able to get the gears to be touching very well. And after that, I have to start reassembling, coupling. I mean, this is the fun. This is where you have all the fun, putting it together. And we are back with putting it together. I have to test it rigorously, open it over and over, check whether it can still hold firmly, and back to the car. So yeah, this is it. The iodide still holding the nail that I used in there, as a hold. Now you got to put the locker and push it back in. Yeah, this is that knob. Just press it back in, and then after we've done that, just gonna tighten it. I love this car mount. I love it. I actually have to use a sparkly to hold it on the car because the suction, after many years, I've been using this for up to 4 years. And I fixed that down when there's a button at the back, press it, whoa, just so satisfying. That's why I still use it. Every time you click it, it's satisfying. And when you put a phone, you press it back and it holds it very firm. Of course, I can use it sometimes to put on maybe Netflix for the kids or any other person, turn it off my side, focus on my driving. It's a very useful utility. Of course, I could have you can see the button at the back. I used to release it. That top button is the one I used to release it. Of course, I could have gotten another one, but man, I've gotten so used to this. And I just had to fix it because that's the fun. Where is the fun if you just put it on the one without fixing it, tearing it apart? So yeah, the clicking sound in this, and that's it. So make sure you follow me and subscribe, like, share for more.